Hi, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Today I am going to make a banana pudding pie. What you need is a crust. I've just got a 9-inch graham cracker crust. Now you can make your own crust, but I'm just going to do it the easy way today, and we're just going to use a bought store crust. I've got the banana instant pudding pie filling. You're going to need 2 or maybe 3, but I'm going to use 2 bananas. You're going to need some lemon juice, not much, just a little lemon juice. You're going to need 2 cups of milk. And when we get ready to put the topping on it, we're going to use heavy cream today, 1 1/4 cup of heavy cream. So what we got to do first is we need to slice up our bananas. And all you have, when you slice your bananas, that's when you put lemon juice after you get them sliced. Be very gentle with it. And then you put the lemon juice on top of it, just a little bit, just a little lemon juice. And what the lemon juice does, it keeps it from turning dark. You know how sometimes you can do anything with a banana and it just turns dark so quick. So what we're going to do is I'm going to slice up these bananas. I really hope I haven't waited too long with these bananas. They seem to be very soft, but it will work for me today. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Thank you for looking at my channel. The ones that haven't subscribed, thank you for subscribing. The ones that have subscribed, thank you for commenting. Let me know how you are. And I hope y'all are having a real good day. It is so hot down here already. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to squeeze part of this lemon. And it says very gently coat your bananas with the lemon juice. And as ripe as these bananas are that I've got today, you had better be gentle with them. You're going to have a mushy, mushy thing. Alright, I've got the bananas sliced and coated. Put a little bit more on that one. That one looked a little dry. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to fix the pudding. This isn't going to take very long. But now after you get it made, you do need to put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes and let it chill. That's just instant Jello instant pie pudding and pie filling. And you need 2 cups of milk. You can either use a whisk or a mixer, but I'm just going to stir this right quick with a little whisk right here and get it dissolved. Ooh, that smells good. And according to the directions when you do this, it is supposed to thicken up, which it is. And let me get my pie shell ready. And it actually is thickening up. I just want y'all to know that it is thickening up. I'm going to give it just a few more minutes. Now we're just going to put the bananas in there. And stir them real gentle. And we're just going to take it and pour it in the pie shell. I'll be honest with you, I hope this does thicken up a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and sit this in the refrigerator while I do the topping to go on it, and then we'll take it back out and put the topping on it. It definitely wasn't hard to fix, was it? Okay, I put the pie in the refrigerator. What I'm going to do now is use a cup, 1 1/4 cup of whipping cream, and I'm going to make the topping right quick. 1 1/4 cup. And I'm going to just use this same cup here that I had the milk in. we're going to put this up right quick. It's amazing to me how quick this right here starts getting firm. And we're just going to mix this up right quick. We're going to put about half a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring in this topping. Well, it's a good thing I didn't want any more than that. I have to go buy me some vanilla flavoring. Now let's mix it a little bit more. Let's see how this is. It looks like I've got a few peaks in here like I'm supposed to have. The way I cook is just plain old-fashioned cooking. Sometimes I don't even have a recipe the way. But this is not sweet. So we're just going to put 2 tablespoons full of sugar in this thing. Who ever heard of a meringue not being sweet? Oh yes, that looks a lot better. Don't you agree? Tastes better too. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to get the pie out and we're going to put our topping on our pie. It's not as firm as I thought it would be. But you know what? I think it's going to be okay after we chill it just a little bit more. It's not quite as firm as I wanted it to be if I don't knock it out of the pie shell. Alright, we're going to put it back in the refrigerator and chill it some more. And I will show you how it is in about 30 minutes. But it did firm up a lot. Of course, now you could use the pudding filling that you have to cook and go ahead and get it as thick as you would like to have it. Okay, we're going to see how this is in 30 minutes. Around the house with Kay and Tom. Okay, I've let this pie sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. And I just want you to know that it has not really firmed up that much. So I debated whether or not I was going to even show it to you, but since I started it, I might as well show it to you. It looks good. The only thing is that I probably should have beat it more or something because it sure didn't firm up. But it is good. And so we were going to eat it just like it is a pudding instead of a pie. It's got the crust on the bottom and it's really good. I just was hoping it would firm up more than it did. So around the house with Kay and Tom, I'm just showing you what I can mess up like anybody else. So I hope you come back and watch my channel and I'll try to do better next time. Have a good day.